Right now, soon you're gonna see a new motovlog. I crashed my Supermoto, so I had to replace the handlebars and etc. And I was supposed to film a motovlog right after that, but I didn't do it because couldn't find my GoPro or something. I don't know what the issue was. I practiced my wheelies some more, so now I can do a small little shit wheelie, you know, maybe a little bit longer than before. It's nice. I have actually crashed my Supermoto after that too, so I got a little bit of ouch here, you know, a little bit of road rash, but it's okay. They say no pain, no gain, but I'm kinda tired of crashing, so I hope I can avoid that in the future at least. Now I feel that I have good control of the rear brake, which is nice. You kinda need that. But anyway, let's get on with the video. What's up, boys? So today is my next moto vlog. We're going out riding with the pack. So we have a lot of people here that are really good at wheeling, which I'm not. So I kind of catch up to them really fast. So me and my boy are talking in the intercom. So when I hear some cringy English commentary, he knows what's up. Oh yeah, the boys out wild man. Oh shit, my guy is pulling up. Oh shit! So my guy. Yeah, this shit is pretty crazy because normally when I ride my Supermoto I'm quite scared of cops. But when there are this many people out riding, it feels like they can't catch you. And I always forget that I have my indicators on because I don't normally use them. Now we're doing the fucking Mongoloid road, my guy. Yeah, so I don't know when I will post this, either after the video from Kobe or before it. But I've done some wheelie practicing and I'm a bit better. I still can't coast or anything, but I can do a pretty long wheelie. Kind of staying the same speed, maybe speeding up a little bit. Today I think we are about 8 or 9 bikes out and the weather is really great. It's been extremely hot in Sweden for the last couple of days. But I feel a lot more comfortable doing the wheelies after Kobe. It was really nice getting some practice in. But I still need to drop the bike further back so I can manage to decrease some speed while in the wheelie. Especially when you're this many people out driving. Because all of these people are really good and can coast, so they can slow down the wheelie, which I cannot. If I'm really lucky, I might be able to, you know, manage keeping the same speed. So apparently some cars don't like the wheelies. And this guy is so insane, he doesn't even run a brake on his handlebars. So pulling this kind of stunts like out on the real road is pretty sketchy, my guy. So I saw I only have 28% left on my GoPro. This batteries die really quick, so we'll see, you know, how long it really lasts. I find it really hard to turn with a Supermoto in a wheelie. Moped has such small tires, so it's pretty easy compared. It's also kind of wrong that I compare everything to a moped, but that's everything I have experience with. So I'll continue to do that for a while, I think. This is my boy. Get aboard with the destroyed rear subframe. Sending it. It's so much fun being out on a nice drive like this with the bikes. Proper hitta stuff, my guy. Dude is on his phone. Dude, this is so cool. I have to admit, this is a lot better than when we were out with the mopeds. This is fucking sick. Taking the roundabouts on this KTM, dude, that's wild. Men's swirling. It's so warm too. I don't dare to drive without protective gear, you know, so I get really hot while driving. I think it's maybe 22 degrees outside. Yeah, boy! Fucking sending it. Oh shit. So many, you know, the tracks in the road make it really sketchy when you drive. You kind of fall into them. Yeah, this is actually so nice. I can't wait to spend the summer riding my Supermoto. It's nice to finally go out with the pack and be able to pull maybe some small little shit wheelies. I need to practice a lot more, but at least now I can pull off some semi-decent wheelies with the gang, you know. So the GoPro kinda ran out of battery. I know this motovlog wasn't very talkative, but it was just such a cool group ride that I could not put it up on YouTube, you know. And yeah, it ran out of battery, so I didn't have no outro. So this is it. I hope you liked the video, boys. If you did, leave a thumbs up as usual. If you did not, leave a thumbs down. If you want to check out my Instagram, you have the link down below. If you don't, then it. There you can also find the link to my Patreon page if you want to support me furthering what I do. But that's all from me, boys. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world